Greetings! It is I, the Fiendish Dr. Phil Nichols, coming to you for another installment of From the Lab. Greetings, Monster Kids. It is I, the Fiendish Dr. Phil, coming to you for a new edition of From the Lab. It's going to be a short one, just to do one. I'm working on everything. Thank you for your patience. Couldn't be helped. There was some problems with a couple patrons. Here's the thing about that. When I accept your friendship on my Facebook page that's not the mask thing, you're going to be exposed to my personal life. And if you really can't tolerate my personal life and the fact that I have one and I'm not in here 24/7, that, things happen, then don't ask for the friendship. That's had me have to remove a few people. It's not good. I don't like doing it, but at the same time, I'm not a slave. Good gracious. So, just if you don't want to see my personal life and my day-to-day goings on, then just stay on the mask page, and I try to keep stuff there. Let's see. This series is eyes are in. A lot of the teeth are in. I still have to make a few sets of teeth and stuff, but this is the Wolfman head that I had to refund on. So what I decided to do, since I have these teeth that I made for the Anthony Hopkins Talbot Wolfman, which I haven't got a chance to sculpt yet, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put them in this guy, and I put some wolf eyes in him. And I'm going to hair it like Benicio del Toro's. So it's going to be kind of a mashup. See, I saw that mashup of Cesar Romero and Heath Ledger Jokers, and it's really cool. So I thought I'd do something similar with the classic Wolfman sculpture finished with the new Wolfman stuff. And we'll see how it goes. And if anybody's interested in it, just drop me an email and we'll talk about pricing. You know what? This lady right here is turning out really cool. Now, I haven't, these are just the little bitty doll eyes. I have to set them in the acrylic white. And then I can finally position the eyes, but the teeth are set in. There's still a lot of imperfections from the mold being so worn out, but, she is finishing up really, really nicely. Really nicely. I'll try and take some of those mold warts down a little bit more. But that's just the way it is when y'all order these pieces from decades ago. The molds are pretty worn out. And one of the things that takes so doggone long is getting it in shape enough that I feel comfortable taking the money that I charge for it. Even though I don't charge near as much as a lot of the people in my class level as an artist, I still don't like to send anything out that I don't feel is worth the money. I just have that, that Lutheran, Methodist, Baptist work ethic about that. I want it to be worth the money, Midwest type thing. And of course, these guys coming along nicely. The 3 crate beasts that I'm working on now are the full figure ones, finishing them up and getting them shipped out. I've had a couple people say they don't know if they want their crate beast heads and hands now because their finances aren't where they are, and that's fine. I mean, that's the risk I take when I take as long as I take to make this stuff. But it rarely happens, but when it does happen, it just can't be helped. I understand life gets in the way. It gets in the way for me, no problems. Anyway, these are the Count Draculas. I still have to make teeth for that one. And then I had 3 come in at the last minute, so I'll get those poured up as soon as possible and done. Crate beast heads and hands left to cast up. And I'll get them done as soon as I can too. This room is so crowded right now, I don't have any room to cast latex in. As far as sculptures go, I'm not sculpting right now. I'm finishing up this series so that I can clear this stuff out, and then I can have sculpting room. As far as the things that y'all have sent me to finish for you, I am working on that. I've ordered in all the eyes for the Hitchcock, Dwight Shundo Hitchcock piece. I've ordered the eyes for the Brad Pitt vampire, the Jack Pierce, the Zachary. I'm working on that Freddy. I have to reinforce it, so I'm reinforcing the insides with latex so that it won't distort when I foam fill it. And that's all underway. Everything's underway, so everything's being worked on. We'll be doing more fancy versions of from the lab as we get further along on this stuff. But thank y'all for your patience. Everything's being worked on. Love y'all lots. Appreciate you. God bless everybody. Have a great new year.